Here I'm going to discuss how to run MSI file from command prompt. So first here, let's open the command prompt. And the next is here, you can see on this soft. This is here, MSI file is there. Windows installer. And if I go on this properties, then you can get here the file is now extension MSI. So this is inside this directory, inside source directory. So first we need to change the directory. And after that, the next is you need to rename and copy the file name. Then if I press in, so here this is the file that I paste here, and if I press enter, then you can get here this is not recognized. So let's use here CLS. Then you need to give again this file name, and with this you need to give the extension MSI extension you need to give. Now press enter. Then you can see here the files, installation files that come there. Node.js. Let's click on this next, accept, next, install. So file is now running. Okay, and the files is now running here. So you need to give your file name with the extension .msi. So here you can see the file that install. So here you can see to install MSI file, you need to give the file name with the extension. Without that, give the not recognized external or internal command message. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.